All right, it's Tuesday, February 4th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here it's followed through higher after kind of buying some calls here on bar number 2. It's worked up towards this little high from yesterday. We also have a pre-market high up in here that it's going to in the 602 area. So since it's followed through towards kind of yesterday's high, I decided to scale out, set up a no-risk trade. I bought the 590 calls at 1084. I just scaled out 1180. They're asking 1218 right now. So, it's a no-risk trade at the moment. We're going to see on the daily chart, as we kind of continue up, can we get a 2-up day that then follows through, towards its target all the way back up to this high. In the big picture on the daily chart, gap down yesterday, early in the week. We kind of took out this pivot. We wanted to watch what happens at that inflection point. Opening price action, took us higher all day long. We closed green. So now it almost looks like maybe we're failing on that gap down at this pivot at the midpoint of this kind of megaphone area. If we can get a 2 up, then it just could be consolidation in this, upper part of this range here where we make kind of a higher high, a little bit of a lower low, but then we immediately start up again and we're working towards those highs again. So for the week, as long as we if we get a 2-up day and we work towards that target, we'll continue to monitor that upside. If something fails here, we got to get through the open of the week down here to really fail and project anything lower. That's our reference point for the rest of the week. And we'll watch the daily chart, to determine if we start maybe heading towards that open with some kind of a 2-down day, or let's say a failure today that comes back through today's open, then maybe, something real negative will develop. But until then, we're heading up and, good opening price action here to follow through on bar number 2. And obviously a good trade here on the SPY this morning. We're going to see now after it hit this, first target yesterday's high, can we get to the pre-market highs up here? And we'll see if we can get one push up, pause, second push up today on some kind of strong move. We'll just follow the 15-minute price action for the rest of the day.